Welcome back, my dear students. We are doing chapter number 7, comparing quantities. Now, what are ratio? A ratio is a fraction and has no unit. It is the comparison of two numbers or quantities which are expressed in the same unit. Proportions. An equality of two ratios is called a proportion. Four numbers, let's take A, B, C and D, are in proportion if A is to B is proportionate to C is to D. Now we can write this as A into D is equals to B into C. This we have got by cross multiplication, or you can also say as product of extremes will be equal to product of mean. Now let's take exercise 7a, question number 1. Find the ratio of the following. D part, 20 minutes to 2 hours. 20 is to 120. But how did we get this 120? Now we already know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 2 hours will be equal to 60 into 2. That is 120 minutes. So this is how we have got this 120. Now 2 hours is equals to actually 120 minutes. Okay, so both the units are now same. So what we are going to do is going to make it in the fraction form and then reduce it. So 20 upon 120, first cancelling the zeros, so it becomes 2 upon 12. So with cancelling of table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, we have 1 upon 6. So 20 minutes to 2 hours is equals to 1 is to 6. Now let's take the J part of the same question. It is 30 days to 36 hours. Now we are going to convert the days into hours so that we can make the units same. So 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So 30 days will be equal to 24 into 30. That will be 720 hours. So 30 days is actually equals to 720 hours. Now 720 hours to 36 hours. So 720 is to 36. Now we write in the fraction form and reduce it by table of 6. So 6 6 are 36, 6 120s are 720. Now we are again cancelling it with table of 6. 6 ones are 6 and 6. 20s are 120. So our final answer is 20 is to 1. Now taking question number 2, express the following ratios in the simplest form. We are taking its B part. 16 is to 230. First writing in the form of a fraction, 16 upon 230. Now I am cancelling it with table of 2. 2 8s are 16 and 2 115. Now I cannot reduce it any further, so this ratio, that is 8 is to 115 in the simplest form. E part, 32 is to 72. Now I have written in the form of fraction as 32 upon 72. Now cancelling it with table of 2, I am getting 16 upon 36. Then again cancelling with table of 2, I get 2 8s are 16 and 2 18s are 36. Again cancelling it with table of 2, I get 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. So now I cannot reduce it any further. So 4 is to 9 is in the simplest form. Question 3. Out of 300 oranges in a shop, 60 oranges are found rotten. Find the ratio of rotten oranges to good oranges. Now, in the question, we are given with the total number of oranges, that is 300, rotten oranges, that is 60. Here we are going to first find the good oranges. So the good oranges will be equal to total oranges minus the rotten oranges. So the good oranges are 300 minus the rotten ones are 60. So 300 minus 60 will give me 240 oranges, that are the good ones. Since we have to find the ratio of rotten oranges to good oranges, so the rotten oranges are 60 is to good oranges are 240. So 60 is to 240. Converting it into the simplest form, 60 upon 240, 0 and 0 cancelled. Then cancelling it with table of 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So our answer is 1 is to 4. So rotten oranges to good oranges is 1 is to 4. Now good oranges to total oranges. So the good oranges were 240 and the total oranges were 300. First cancelling the 0, it becomes 24 is to 30. Now cancelling it with table of 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 10s are 30. Again cancelling it with table of 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. So our answer is 4 is to 5. Third part, that is the rotten oranges to the total oranges. So the rotten oranges are 60 and the total oranges were 300. First cancelling the zeros, so we get 6 is to 30, then 6 ones are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So our final answer is 1 is to 5. Question 5. Compare the following ratios. B part, 15 is to 20 and 4 is to 5. For comparison, we will first convert the ratios into the fraction form 15 upon 20 and 4 upon 5. Now by cross multiplication 15 into 5, and on the other side we have 20 into 4. Now 15 5s is 75 and 24 is 80. So we easily know that 80 is greater than 75. So 4 upon 5 is going to be greater, or we can say that 4 is to 5 is greater. D part 5 is to 7 and 15 is to 21. First writing in the form of fraction 5 upon 7 and 15 upon 21. Now doing cross multiplication 5 into 21 and 15 into 5. 5 into 21 is 105 and 15 into 7 is also 105. Since both the sides are equal, therefore we can say that 5 is to 7 and 15 is to 21 are equivalent ratios. That's all for today.